What's the difference after install Mitsubishi Outlander with spacers?
Proper-sized
Mitsubishi Outlander with spacers
are the upgrade parts that most people will use to enhance the ride stance. 1-inch spacers are relatively safe for
Mitsubishi Outlander,
especially since they are hub-centric spacers. At this thickness, you start to notice subtle changes in the vehicle's appearance and handling. High-quality wood spacer can offer numerous benefits, including improved handling, enhanced appearance, and the ability to fit larger tires. When selecting wheel spacers, it's important to consider several factors. Opt for wheel spacers made from high-strength, durable aluminum alloy material. This material ensures the spacers are lightweight yet strong enough to withstand the pressures of daily driving. Choosing the right thickness will depend on your vehicle's requirements and the look you are aiming for. Thinner spacers push the wheels out further, offering a more aggressive stance and better cornering performance due to the wider track. Ensure the wheel spacer match your vehicle bolt patterns for a proper fit. Hub-centric spacers, which align perfectly with the center bore of the vehicle hub. They reduce vibration and ensure the weight of the vehicle is carried by the hub rather than the bolts, offering a smoother ride. Quality, brand, and warranty. Invest in wheel spacers from reputable brands that offer warranties. This ensures you are getting a product that has been tested for safety and durability. Choosing the right wheel spacer involves careful consideration of material quality, thickness, compatibility with your vehicle, and the benefits of features. High-quality wheel spacer can improve the driving experience by enhancing handling, stability, and appearance.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get this bonus with spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.